Hello, my beautiful peeps. Okay, you made it to this part of the video. So let me tell you what's going on because the house looks like this. And you can hear the echo. We're in the middle of packing. We're in the middle of packing. We're in the middle of. I'm having a huge life transition. I don't know what's going on. I wanted to sit down. We have like no chairs left. Okay, y'all, let me sit down and try to talk to you. So, I'm leaving. I'm leaving Florida. I'm traveling up north right now. I'm actually going with my boyfriend. He is got a job up north. And I'll be up north for a few months until we can figure out what is our next step and what we're doing next. I'm gonna keep you all updated, don't worry. And then you'll see. There's a whole bunch of things that are gonna go on, but we're in the middle of packing. Angela, the reason why I'm dressed up today is because Angela and I have decided that we're going out. We need a break. So that's what we're doing right now. And painters, I gotta finish painting, put this together. They're gonna come. It's going on the market, I think in 3 days or 4 days or something. It's gonna be empty, so that's fine. All my stuff is in storage. Yeah. All right, I will keep you updated. This is just an update video, but I'll keep you updated and I'll tell you what's going on. Bye, guys. So here's a map of our beautiful country, and this is where I started out. Look here. All the way down there. Uh-huh. And if you follow my finger, I'll show you where I went. I went right through Georgia, right through the state of Georgia, up to Chattanooga, Tennessee. From Tennessee, y'all, we went all the way up through Kentucky. What? We passed St. Louis? Did I leave the South? Yes, I did. Ta-da! I'm in Illinois. Hello, my beautiful peeps. Okay, so life update. We are in Illinois. This is the little townhouse I rented for a short time. There's my car back there. We're emptying my car as we speak. My lovely boyfriend is working very hard. We've been living in hotels for a few weeks. He got a contract for a job, and that's why we decided to come up here. There he is now. You can see the back of him. He doesn't want to be on film, but he's showing his mom the place. This is a very cute, very beautiful little town. Has lovely homes. It's very, very nice. I know this is kind of like a vlog style video, but that's okay. And we're going to move in. The landlord is going to bring a carpet cleaner for me and replace some blinds. I open the windows, get some air in the house. That's all I've done so far. I'm going to put the stuff in, and then I'll show you guys around. And we're going to make this place as cute as possible. And I'm going to give you all the updates on what's going on, what business I'm doing now, what's going to be happening with me, and all the things. And we're going to do lots and lots of decorating and stuff like that. So I'm kind of excited. It's kind of nice to be up north. It's a nice, cool day. But of course, I'm in Florida clothing because I don't have any other clothing right now. And yeah, and I'm going to make the best of it. And I hope you follow along and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to turn you around right now so you can see the little townhouse. It's so cute. It's actually really cute. I think it's cute. Hold on. So here's the front door. All right. So when you walk in here. It's a little living room. The man's gonna bring me the carpet cleaner. I'm gonna shampoo it. This is kind of old school, but that's okay. We're only here for a while. This, I don't know. I'm thinking of making this like a little office or something under here. Something really cute. maybe put some pictures up here. There's a little half bath there. This is the furnace over here. And you go this way, there's a washer and dryer. It's pretty, yeah, you know. Little tiny fridge, little tiny kitchen. They left the table, so we're gonna use it because I put all my stuff in storage. And then upstairs, I'll show you that later. You go up here and there's 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom and pretty decent closets. And yeah, there we go. Hi, love bugs. You made it to the end of the video. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have no tripod. I have no light ring. I have nothing. You're propped up on a windowsill right now, and I'm kind of holding the phone at an angle so I can talk to you. I can tell you what's going on. So I filmed those video clips a while ago. You saw that, right? I filmed in Buc-ee's. Oh my God, have y'all been? It's amazing. Amazing. Okay, so I know I got a lot of explaining to do, and I know people are gonna have like a bajillion and one questions. Okay, why? Why'd you do this, Bella? Well, the boyfriend, the man, got a job offer, and we couldn't say no to it. Angela was moving out and settled. She was fine. She's fine. I like where she lives. It's really cute. It's all decorated. It's all adorable. It's fine. Angela's fine. I talk to her every day, maybe 4 to 5 to 6, maybe more times a day. So Angela's good. Now look, now the sun's coming in. I'm getting lines. All right, this is a big hot mess, but bear with me. So that's why we moved. Illinois. Oh, Lord, Illinois. Okay. Did I ever think that I would live up north? No. Never. But here we are. Never say never, right? Never say never, because this is what happens. I was like, I'm never going to live up north. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, well, here we are. Do I like it? I like the town. It's a beautiful, old, historic town. This is the land of Lincoln. We are very, very close to where Lincoln became the famous lawyer and started his political career. So we're in that kind of area. So you understand we're near Springfield. Okay, so just so you know. It is very country. Very country. So coming from, but I like the country. I mean, y'all know, I mean, if you follow me long enough, you know that I like the country. So I got no problems with the country. I like the country. I like the quiet of the country. I like peacefulness. This townhouse, oh my God, y'all. So let me explain. It is very, very difficult to find a place to rent. Super difficult. Homes do not sell here because people are deep rooted into this area. It's not a big town. People don't sell houses. I'm not buying a house here. I'm gonna zip now. I'm gonna zip now because never say never, right? So, my plan is, I'll fill you in 1 second. So it was very hard to find rent. We, from the grace of God, and I'm not kidding when I say that, and I really mean this when I'm telling you all this, the grace of God, and I mean really, the Lord had his hand. Because there is a huge group of people that also got recruited to this job where Oz is going to be working. That's his name, by the way, if you wanted to know. We call him Oz. Anyways, they're living in hotels. We somehow, I don't know, I went to Dunkin', I met a girl, started talking to her. Next thing I know, I called this man. He had an apartment. He said, no, I don't want you to live in that apartment. I got this townhouse. Looked at the townhouse, and I thought, hey, this is probably going to be the best of the best right now. Bella, take it, clean it, fix it up, do what you got to do. Make it cute. Y'all, it's 1970s in here. It is. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. The landlord is amazing. He's so sweet. He's so nice. I love him. Love him. I was like whining and complaining about the stove that was in this townhouse. He replaced it for me. Already got me a brand new white stove. I was complaining and whining about the washing machine and dryer. Got me a brand new washer and dryer. Well, I mean a brand new, but newer than that mustard 1970s dishwasher. He brought the carpet cleaner in. We shampooed all the carpets. They look great, smell great. I got like a whole bunch of things to do still in the house that I'm gonna do eventually. I mean, you can see my big old mess back there, but whatever, y'all. Boxes there. I got my bed and my mattress and my box spring finally delivered yesterday. So yours truly was sleeping on a mattress on the floor for over a week. Yeah, because we bought the mattress at Sam's Club. But I'll show you all that. I kind of filmed a little bit of the bedroom. Okay, I know this is like gonna be my great adventure. Either my greatest adventure or my greatest disaster in life. I don't know, y'all. It's really difficult. This is really difficult. I mean, I put everything in storage, like everything. I brought some winter clothes, whatever I had. And then I brought some clothes, some shoes, didn't bring everything. Brought like two sets of towels. I mean, crazy, just crazy, like crazy. But we have a plan. Like I have a master plan on why we did all this and what's gonna happen next. And don't worry, I'll fill you in with all that. So you know. Yeah, so I wanted to give you an update. Now, I want to ask, and you tell me in the comments down below, do you want to see what I bought for the house? I mean, I know everyone's in full-fledged fall mode, and y'all are enjoying the fall and everything, and I'm not. I made a wreath for my front door. I couldn't resist, y'all. I had to make a wreath. I had to do something. I mean, look at it. It's just a zoo. Furniture, Lord almighty, furniture, 4 to 6 weeks to get any furniture. I ordered a couch and I ordered these coffee tables, but the other day I was at Walmart and I saw a set of coffee tables and I thought, you know what? I should just buy that. Anyways, we'll get into that in the next video. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me, do you want to see like the pots and pans I bought, the cutlery I bought, the whatever I bought? Do you want to see it? Do you want to like follow along on the adventure of how to go from zero to, build a home? Like, would that interest you all? I mean, build a home. Let's use the term loosely. Because, yeah, okay. Listen, I'm going to try and make this cute. Okay, I'm going to give you a little peeksy-weeksy around here. So we got the TV up. I want to put, let me stand back here so you can maybe see. I want to put a TV unit down there. I know, look at the wire hanging. Okay, so I want to put a little TV unit. I want to get a couch, get 2 chairs. And that's it. And then over on this wall here, I want to get like a little table and a mirror. Make that cute. Make it cute. Under the stairs, I'm thinking of a little desk area. Let me move back to the window. Because, yeah, the coloring and the lighting is all cuckoo crazy. All right, y'all. I've talked your ears off. You know where I am. You know what's going on. I mean, a smidge. If you leave me a comment down below and tell me if you'd like to see what I bought what I bought so far, I would love to show you because I'm in love with my pots. Oh, I love them. Yes, love. And I really like the cutlery I bought. And I like all that stuff. And yeah, and I have a whole bunch of things. I have a whole bunch of ideas in my head of how I want to go about doing my video. I'm going to order my light ring and tripod today from Amazon. So I should get that soon. And yeah, that's it really. I mean, I'll fill you in the rest. And I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening ahead. And I'll probably see you Friday. If you want to see what I bought, I'll show you on Friday. And yeah, and Christmas is coming. So we'll do that. All right, y'all. I'll talk to you soon. I love y'all. Bye, YouTube. Mwah. Bye, everybody.